In this video, we'll guide you step by step through the installation of Alubreeze Sun Metal Louvers. Designed for durability and sleek architectural appeal, Alubreeze louvers offer efficient light and ventilation control with an easy installation process. Alubreeze Sun louvers are made up of roll-formed fins. These fins are attached securely to the main assembly panel using pressure plates. To prevent any water from entering the louver system, fit a nylon end cap at the end. According to the expected wind load, select the proper size and grade of aluminium channels. Mount these channels to the wall or an MS, mild steel, structure using sturdy brackets, depending on your building's requirements. Once the channels are securely fixed, attach the specially designed Alubreeze brackets to the channels. Ensure the brackets are evenly spaced along the length of the channel for maximum support. Alubreeze louvers come in 3 fixed angles: 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees. Select the appropriate bracket for the desired angle. Alubreeze Sun louvers come in 5 fin widths: 100 mm, 150 mm, 200 mm, 250 mm, and 300 mm. Choose the width that best meets your project's functional and aesthetic needs. With Alubreeze Sun Metal louvers, you achieve both performance and style for your building facade. For any questions or further assistance, please consult our support team.